I told you I was going to do it in 3 minutes or less. Can you see this? Whoa, there we go. Now let's hit start. Boom. And the timer is going, and let's talk about this. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know when you are going to go into public speaking or doing a presentation is that the degree to which you care about the people, it comes out in your public speaking. And I kid you not, that is across the board. You care about the people, you want to see them change by the end of your presentation, and you want them to carry forward whatever you're going to share with them. I don't care if it's doorknobs or mowing your lawn, like people need to know that you care about them. If you care about them, then you need a little structure. And there's a simple 5 method. You've got 5 fingers, hopefully you do. If you don't, that's okay also. But this is just a simple way to remember it, okay? So first thing, you've got your pre-prep, and that's where you begin with the end in mind, where you are looking at the ending and you're saying, what do I want people to get out of this by the end? And everything else you do needs to play into that. Always ask yourself the question, does this point match into the ending? And if it does, awesome, okay? So that's the pre-prep. The second point is your intro. And this is where you give people a reason to listen to you. You say, hey, I've been doing this for 20 years, or I got these results for people, or hey, I'm your best friend. Whatever it is that you need to just give yourself some qualifiers. And that's when you talk to them about what matters, why it matters to see your presentation and what they'll get out of it by the end. Okay, so that's part. And then the third part is you're actually communicating with them all the points that you said you were going to communicate. Everything that drives home your point, that's what you're going to do in the third part. And usually no more than 3 to 5 points right there. Now, the ending, this is where you do a call to action. And this is overlooked by so many people because simply, if you don't call them to action, if you don't invite them to do something, they will have watched your presentation and it's whoop, and it's gone, and they just never think about it again, okay? So make sure you invite them to do something, whether it's to buy something, whether it's to go home and think on this, to journal something, whatever it is, you always wanna have an invitation. Now, the final point is simply your after follow-up, the after game. And this is something overlooked, again, by a lot of people, because most often the change that happens that sticks occurs 24 hours after the presentation. So if you have some sort of follow-up sequence, you'll want to include that from the very beginning as you're preparing for your presentation. All right, so do all of that, care about the people, and just deliver in a way that is authentic. And if you add some humor in there, that is awesome also. All right, let's look at our time. Boom, haha, 20, oh, you can't see that. It was 25 seconds. Oh, no, it turned off. Wow, 25 seconds left. All righty, guys. Hopefully that was useful to you. And if you like this, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. I'm doing videos, 3-minute presenting hacks every single week. So we'll see you next video.